I can't figure out.
Hey guys, good morning. So today I'm gonna be filming what I eat in a day, and you guys have been requesting this video since so long. And today is Sunday, so I don't think this is probably the best day to film this video, but I just had my morning water because I love to have water as soon as I wake up because I think it just wakes me up very naturally. Yeah, I was just going to talk about how my skin is looking right now because as you can see I have a few scars over here. These are not active pimples, but I do have like pimples over here and breaking out a little bit over here. I usually do not break out on my forehead, so I'm thinking this is because of the weather change. So basically when I do not have matcha, I usually go for smoothies. So I do like smoothies 2 to 3 times a week in my breakfast, but yesterday I had a banana and apple smoothie, so today I am thinking I'm gonna go for my matcha because I love it. You guys know I love my matcha. So as it was Sunday, my dad brought home the classic rawat ki pyaz ki kachori, and he also went for a marathon, I think. So he got this like a little cute hamper. So I decided to try the sandwich. It was a tandoori sandwich, I believe. So as I was eating the sandwich, I realized that I did not like the taste of it. So I decided to keep it, like leave it, and move on to my matcha. So the milk that I'm gonna be using is this from Borges, and it's the rice and walnut milk. And I also do like the other two variants in this milk. The matcha that I'm going to be using is from Matcha Culture, and I absolutely love this matcha. As you can see, I've used it completely. I have to order another one. Now I'm just whisking with some hot water to make sure that the lumps are gone because we don't want any lumps in the matcha. Now to sweeten it, I'm just using a little bit of honey, not too much, and whisking again. So guys, I decided to read this book called Ikigai. It's the Japanese secret to the long and happy life, and I read the first chapter of it. Then I decided to make myself some detox water because I was just feeling really fancy. So this is just flavored water. I'm just putting a little bit of cucumber, a little bit of lemon, and now I'm just cutting up some apples and slicing them and putting it into the water, and then just shaking it so that all the flavors mix in and sipping it throughout the day. Hey guys, so it's 3:30 right now and I have not had my lunch because I was not feeling really hungry. I had my matcha and then I had like a few bits and pieces of random things. Lunch mein pav bhaji bani thi and I don't really like pav bhaji. I know, yes. I am that person who does not like pav bhaji. I cannot, like, I've tried really hard to like it, but I just don't like it. So with that being said, yes, I have not had lunch abhi, but right now because it's Sunday, my whole family is at home and मेरी बहन का birthday आ रहा है अभी 23rd March, which is like day after tomorrow. So she wants a footwear for herself. तो हम लोग सब बाहर जा रहे हैं उसका footwear लेने. Before going out, I'm gonna get ready obviously, and before getting ready, I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare because as you can see, my skin is not looking really nice right now. It looks a little bit dull. Like I'm gonna be using a sheet mask because I don't really have a lot of time in hand abhi because I have to get ready fast and go. And the sheet mask that I'm going to be using today is from Mamaearth. It's their rice water bamboo sheet mask with rice water and coconut milk. It's for day hydration and my skin clearly needs that. It says I have to leave it on for 15 minutes, so we're going to do that. So the key ingredients in this mask are rice water, coconut milk, argan oil and palm extract. Now this has many benefits for your skin. First being that it deeply hydrates your skin as it contains coconut milk. It also promotes clear skin as it contains rice water, and it makes your skin glow because coconut milk, rice water when mixed together really gives you a clear, smooth, brightening effect. And it is also suitable for all skin types, and yes, men can also use this mask as well. All the Mamaearth products are free from any harsh chemicals and they're all natural. Now it says that I have to leave this product on for 15 minutes, so till then I'm gonna hop into the shower and take a nice bath, and I'll be right back. Also, every time you buy from them, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant, and the exact geolocation picture and the species of the tree will be sent to you. Also, Mamaearth is an Indian brand and it's plastic positive. Now, as you can see that my skin looks incredibly smooth and like really radiant, and I really like the after effects of the mask. It does actually deeply hydrates, like it actually deeply hydrated my skin, and as you can see I'm applying it on my arms as well, and it just gave my arms a glow. And I absolutely loved the after effects of this mask, and to reap more effects I'm going to use my jade roller also because it feels really nice to use this. And I'm just working the serum that's left on my face into my skin before I put on makeup. So yeah, after this I'm also going to be massaging my face for a little bit for better absorption. So I just wanted to show you all how my makeup went after applying this mask, and can you see my skin looks so nice. I'm just applying a little bit of foundation. I don't want to do a heavy makeup, like a heavy makeup look, so I just went for a little bit of foundation, and I absolutely love how skin-like my skin is, like my foundation is looking. And I'm definitely going to be using sheet masks whenever I can before I apply my makeup.
Baby shampoo and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since.
Konnichiwa.
इसका मतलब
Konnichiwa is hello in Japanese.
Stars from different places and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever?
So I ordered myself a deconstructed coffee, and I basically love the process to make this coffee because it's so satisfying, as you can see. And yeah, I've had it before and I absolutely love it. So they give you Milkmaid, milk and a coffee shot, and you have to assemble it. And I spilled my coffee.
What a klutz, Mishka Bura.
Always.
एडिट हो जाएगा क्या? हाँ एडिट हो जाएगा ना?
ऐसे थोड़ी डाल देंगे ना।
ऐसे गड़गड़ मिक्सी के साथ वो आई
Ceiling, now she's starting to stare back, but I guess looks can be deceiving. In the spaces we call love won't have to fade away. But do you ever wake up feeling like we're living day to day? We should buy some golden handcuffs and throw away the K and mark ourselves right into cages in the.
So the first thing that we ordered in appetizers was this Cajun spiced potato wedges, and they were so damn good. I absolutely loved them. And then we ordered alfangay spaghetti with mushrooms, and it was so creamy. It was so yum. I usually go for red spaghetti like arrabbiata, but I was somehow feeling creamy white spaghetti that day. And then we ordered this cheesecake, and this is by far one of the best cheesecakes of my life. I absolutely love blueberry cheesecake from OTH. That was it for my day in my life / what I eat in a day kind of video. I know that I didn't actually eat what I usually eat every day, because like in lunch I usually have roti sabzi, but I did not have that today because somehow I was just not feeling hungry. जो मुझे भूख नहीं लगती मैं ज़बरदस्ती नहीं खाती. That was it for today. I will do another what I eat in a day. That will be basically, or actually should I do like what I eat in a week, because that will make more sense of what I eat in a week and I'll be like as realistic as possible. So I think yeah, that'll make more sense. But that's it for today. It's almost 8 right now, so अभी मैं ये पूरा मेकअप निकालूंगी and I'll go and play TT, which is table tennis, with my friends. And that's about it. Most probably अगर मैं रात को मुझे भूख लगती है तो I will eat something. तो अगर मैं कुछ खाऊंगी तो I'll include that in the video after this footage.
My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one.